Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover sales with Shopify step by step clearly. To recover sales with Shopify, start by analyzing cart abandonment data. Log into your Shopify account and navigate to the Analytics section. Identify the percentage of cart abandonments and the most common products left behind. Next, set up an automated cart recovery email. Go to your Shopify admin panel and select Settings. Click on Checkout and scroll to the Order Processing section. Enable the option for Automatically Send Abandoned Checkout Emails. Customize the email template to include a friendly reminder of the products left in the cart. Incorporate a discount code to incentivize customers to complete their purchase. Now, consider installing a Shopify app for enhanced abandoned cart recovery. Visit the Shopify App Store and search for Abandoned Cart Recovery. Look for apps with good reviews and features that suit your needs. Install the app and follow the setup instructions to integrate it with your store. Once configured, monitor its performance through the app's analytics dashboard. Next, optimize your product pages. Ensure high-quality images and compelling product descriptions for each item. Highlight customer reviews to build trust and credibility. Implement upsell and cross-sell options on your product pages. Introduce a live chat feature to assist customers in real time. This can help answer questions and address concerns that may lead to cart abandonment. Now, focus on improving your website's loading speed. Test your current site speed using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights. Optimize images and eliminate unnecessary apps that may slow down your site. Consider implementing a mobile-friendly design if you haven't already. Next, enhance your retargeting efforts through digital marketing. Create targeted ads on platforms like Facebook and Google Ads. Use custom audiences to reach people who visited your store but didn't purchase. In your ads, remind customers about the items they viewed or left in their cart. Finally, analyze your strategies regularly. Review the data from your email campaigns, app, and ads. Adjust your approach based on what the data reveals about customer behavior. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.